My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar, writer of the 12 books. Two has to be published very soon. So, my dear friend, we are descripting or we are telling you the Islamic Gunism or the Islamic Gundagardi, how the converted Muslims from Hindus or the Christians or the Buddhists were now are the vagabonds, the groups of the killers and the rapists due to the Islamic ideology, which is pertaining to the certified Gunism. And the Muhammad was a certified rapist, robber, and the most mischievous person throughout this world. If we comparison this Muhammad with Hitler, Mussolini, Mao Zedong, sorry, Khmer Rouge, and many criminal associates throughout the world, the Muhammad is superior to, not the superior, but to infamous and most dreadful terrorist activities which were committed by the Muhammad. And after the teaching of the Muhammad, which are converted Muslims from any religion or any cult, they are a most dreadful people of this world. Same alike to the Kashmiri Muslims, which are the true Muslims and are following the teaching of the Muhammad, they are also dreadful terrorists, treacherous, mischievous, vagabonds, loiters, rapists and robbers. No single word is used for such type of the criminals which were committed heinous crime against the Kashmiri Hindu women, right? Many times. And Vinod Dua and Romila Thapar and such type the stupids which are the so-called leftist historians or the journalists, they are the certainly 100% fool and the bunches of the jokers and the fools, because they do not know what is the Islam. They do not know ABCD of Islam. So now I will tell you the continue this series of the Lost Paradise Kashmir. This is my book, Lost Paradise Kashmir, History of Devastated Kashmir. There may be a grammatical mistake, but you must read this book and purchase this book own wisdom. So now we will continue the another video of this series from the Sanjuvan attack of 218. On 10th February 18 as pre-dawn, Jaish-e-Mohammed Fiyadin attack was on the Indian Army campus in Sanjuvan, Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory now. 3 attackers and 1 civilian were killed in this attack and 20 were injured. It is very good that the three attackers, that is the Islamic goons, were murdered or killed by our army. 20 were injured. Notable this attack coincident with the death and story of Afzal Guru, a convicted of the parliament attack. Mufti Vagas of the Jaish-e-Mohammed was the conspirator in this attack, was killed on 25th March 218 in Avantipur. This is very good news. Every single Muslim which is a true Muslim, if he he is being killed by any type of the armies, even if a one kafir neutralizing this true Muslim, I am happy, because being a head of the kafir international army, I am very happy that some peoples are eliminating these Islamic goons which are known as the true Muslims. Second attack was the early hours of 10th February 18 at 4 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. 3 armed militants attacked a campus of 36th Brigade. The attackers were armed with AK-47 and grenades. They entered the residential quarters and opened fire, killing 4 soldiers and injured at least 9 terrorists were killed in the 24 hours. At the end, the army camp was cleaned out. 5 soldiers of the Jammu Kashmir Light Infantry were killed in the attack. Subedar Madan Lal Chaudhary, Subedar Mohammad Ashraf Mir, Havaldar Abdullah Qureshi, Nayak Manzoor Ahmad, and Lance Nayak Muhammad Iqbal was also killed. I salute, I applaud the sacrifice and the valor or the vigor of these soldiers, which by name were Muslims, but they are not following the part of the Islam, because Islam is Gunism. Islam does not allow the fight against the terrorists with the Hindu soldiers. So they are not the true Muslims. They are a true human lover. Our soldiers, brave soldiers, salute to them. Four of them were Kashmiri Muslim. Attackers were Karim Mustaq, Muhammad Khalid Khan, and Muhammad Adil was Pakistani nationals. The pregnant wife of soldier Rifinjar Ahmed was shot dead in her back. This is the brutality of the Islam. Islam is totally against the woman freedom. She immediately taken to military hospital and soon afterwards delivered a baby successfully. It was the Islamic hysteria of Ghazwa Hind. Actually, the followers of the Islam, that is not the Muslims, are the Hysterian people. They have the hysteria of Ghazwa Hind. They are manic, lunatic people. They are mentally disturbed people, which are the true Muslims. They cannot do against the non-Muslim throughout the world, because there is no Allah. And your Muhammad was a pedophile, rapist, certified killer, so dreadful criminal. This must know those converted Muslim in Kashmir from the Hindus. Your prophet is the robber, killer, and the rapist. So many instances has been described in my channels, both English channels, that is the Kafir International Organization, and the second channel, Visit Destination, that how the Muhammad teaching dreadful and pro-terrorism, pro-rapes with the non-Muslim women. 216 Uri attack. This attack was done by Pakistani Interstate Agency ISI and Jaish-e-Mohammed. Four heavily armed terrorists on 18 September 2016 entered the Uri in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir, now Union Territory. The terrorist group Jaish-e-Mohammed was involved in this attack in Kashmir Valley along with the doctrine of the killing the Hindu Kafirs. Since 2015, the terrorists had increasingly taken to high-profile Fiadin attacks against the Indian forces. It was very furious Islamic attack in Kashmir Valley on Indian security forces at around 5:30 a.m. Indian Army Brigade headquarters in Uri, near the line of control in pre-dawn ambush, the terrorists had loaded 17 in 3 minutes, so base camp tent caught fire. Had loaded 17 grenade. 17 army personnel were martyred during the attack and 30 soldiers were injured. Six hours gun battle resulted. 4 terrorist killing and combing operation continued to flush out initial Islamic goons as a terrorist thought to be alive. Most of the soldiers martyred were from the 10th Battalion of Dogra Regiment, 10 Dogras, and the 6th Brave Bihar Regiment, 6th Bihar Regiment. Actually, this was the replacing time of 6th Bihar from 10 Dogra Regiment and 10 Dogra. And so Dogras now whirling in tents, 7 personnel of killed were the supporting staff, including cooks and the barbers. Indian retaliation of this attack. On 20th September, 11 days after the attack, the brave Indian Army conducted a surgical strike on what launched pad used by the terrorists. Indian commando crossed the line of control LOC and after killing the Islamic terrorist and struck at the end of the safe of India. The terrorists had infiltrated the Indian territory Hajipir Pass on in January night 16/17 September 2016 and stayed in the Sukhdar village. The attackers belonged to Jaish-e-Mohammed. On 25th September, two Pakistani nationals were caught from Pakistani illegal occupied Kashmir by the Border Security Force, that is the BSF. Pulwama attack on 14 February 2019. A convoy of the vehicles carry the scrutiny personnel on the Jammu and Kashmir highway was attacked by a vehicle born suicide bomber at Lethpura near Avantipur, near Pulwama district. Culmination of this attack was 40 paramilitary personnel martyrs. The responsibility of this attack was claimed by the Pakistani-based Islamic terrorist group Jaish-e-Mohammed. The attacker were identified as Adil Ahmed Dar, a Pulwama district resident and a member of Jaish-e-Mohammed. On 14 February 2019, a convoy of 78 vehicles transporting more than 205,000 CR personnel from Jammu to Srinagar was traveling on the National Highway 44. Convoy left Jammu at 3:30 Indian Standard Time PM. Convoy was scheduled to reach its destination before sunset, and at that time, the Prime Minister of the Pakistan, the Imran Khan, every true Muslim is a terrorist. Even the Imran Khan is a dreadful terrorist if he following the teaching of the Islam or the Muhammad. Asim Munir, the chief of the army, is a dreadful terrorist because he is a Hafiz of Quran. He know everything, every criminal activity which were committed by Muhammad. And now Asim Munir is trying to committed such heinous crime as committed by his so-called prophet, who was the robber, killer, and the rapist, and the certified goon against the human values. More than 25 CR, 250 CR personnel from Jammu to Srinagar were traveling on National Highway 44. Convoy left Jammu at 3:30. First convoy was scheduled to reach its destination before sunset. At Lathepura near Avantipur around 15:15 or 3:15 IST time, a bus carrying the CRP personnel was rammed by a car carrying the explosive. It causes a blast which killed 40 CRP personnel of 76 Battalion and injured many others. Jaish Mohammed claimed responsibility for the attack. They also released a video of assailant Adil Ahmed Dar, a lunatic brain was stupid 22 years old and a black dot of humanity from Kakapura. After this attack, Indian government took stern action against terrorists, and Pakistan custom duty of Pakistan goods to India were raised to 200 times. The government of India urged to the Financial Attack Task Force on Money Laundering to put Pakistan in blacklist. After this attack, in the early morning of 18 February 290, a joint operation team comprising 50, 55 RR Rajputana Rifle, CRPF and a Special Operation Group of India killed two terrorists and two supporters in anti-terrorism in counter operation in the ensuing manhunt for the perpetrators in Pulwama. One of them, Abdul Rashid Ghazi, alias Kamran, was identified as a Pakistani terrorist and was the mastermind of this attack, and two local, Hilal Ahmed, along with two sympathizers who hosted Ghazi and Ahmed to evade capture. Four security men were also martyred in this gunfight on 26 February 209. 12 Mirage 2000 jets crossed the LOC and dropped the bomb into Balakot, Pakistan. The training camp of Jaish-e-Mohammed had killed 35 approximately terrorists. 219 Kulgam massacre. In 219 Kulgam massacre referred to the killing of the 7 Bengali Muslims as terrorists, as terrorism thought they were Bengali Hindus or Hindu laborers. By foreign-based terrorist attack was carried out by Hizbul Mujahideen commander and Azaz Malik. The attackers entered in a home housing Bengali laborers. These Bengali laborers were come to in the apple orchard there to pluck out the apples. Terrorists lined up the men and killed of them, and one was survivor as he was benefited for feeling that he was dead. But he was not taking breathe deep, breathe deep breath to notify that he is alive. He mocked as a he was dead. Terrorist attack on 222. Ajay Pandit a sarpanch from the minority Hindu community in Kashmir was killed on 21 May 220. He was very brave man and did not take only government packages or the security but decided to live among Muslim neighbors. By the way, it was in Khmer before the advent of Pakistan or the Pakistan sponsored terrorism in 1989. He was neither RSS man nor BJP leader but was only Congress worker. He returned to his village in South Kashmir in 1996. His image and reputation so nice for himself in his Muslim neighborhood, which to him placed at the Sarpanch level. When Ajay Pandita was Congress worker, then why he was martyred by Islamic terrorists? Only because in Islamic doctrine, kafir is kafir. Our innocent Hindus do not know understood this or are very unaware in this context. Not Hindus, but the every kafir is under danger due to so many verses of the Quran. Ajay Pandit killing is the latest evidence of this cruelty, whose request for security cover was not taken seriously. Soon after his killing, the Tehrik Rajasthan Front, Tehrik Rajasthan Front (TRP) claimed responsibility for murder of Sri Ajay Pandit ji. Ajay Pandit brave daughter said she will take revenge of that Islamic jihadist by own hand or herself. This incident took place in the sleepy village of Luk Bhawan in South Kashmir, Anantnag district. Ajay Pandit was murdered by hysteric Islamic ideology followers. Ajay Pandit's daughter Niyanta Pandit is very brave daughter and should ashamed these fanatic radicalized Muslims who are following the doctrine of Islam Quran against kafir that they were has snatched her father with their stupidity only. And so many attacks are still continuing in the Kashmir, but they are now under pressure. Violence of the Kashmir for devastated as Hindus have already discrimination due to the leftist Congress, Christian missionaries, Islamic terrorism, because all terrorist group either in the name of the mighty Allah from 1530 till date. However, BJP good against these vultures. Now we have to come fanatic idiots in the next video. Which are the fanatic idiots? That are the true Muslim. Every true Muslim is a terrorist. This is my first and last statement. There will be no change. If a Muslim is a true Muslim, he offers the 5 time namaz, he is a certified goon. He is against the civil society and human values. So namaz and Quran should be banned in all the world. Because in namaz they are praying that the 48th time that the Muslims will empower all the non-Muslim to kill them or convert to Islam. Thank you very much. See you.